My name is Dr. Avadhesh Khare. In this episode of EduVenture, we shall discuss about the process of computing COPO attainment level when the Bloom's level or degree of difficulty level of syllabus and the question paper are different. I'll again take the example of theory of machines. The theory of machines course has got 5 units and every unit has one CO. So unit 1 CO1 is given in second column. Now unit 1 has got 3 components, unit 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 in the syllabus, and 1.1 is delivered at BL level 1 for 2 hours in the semester at PO and addresses PO1. Unit 1.2 is delivered at BL level 2 for 2 hours and addresses PO1. Unit number 1.3 is delivered at BL level 3 for 3 hours and it addresses PO1 and PO2. So the total number of hours for unit number 1 is 7. And the average BL level is given in the last column. BL1 into 2 plus BL2 into 2 plus BL3 into 3 hours divided by 7. That is 15 by 7. It is roughly 2. Then we take unit 2. Unit 2 has 2 components, 2 subunits, 2.1 and 2.2. 2.1 is delivered at BL level 1 for 3 hours and 2.2 is delivered at BL1 for 3 hours, both addressed to PO number 1. So the average BL level at which the unit 2 is delivered is 1 into 3 plus BL1 into 3 divided by 6. This is BL1 and total number of hours allotted is 6. Then CO3. Unit 3 has 3 components, 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. 3.1 addresses PO1 and delivered at BL3 for 2 hours. 3.2 addresses PO1 and PO2 and is delivered at BL level 2 for 3 hours. And BL3 addresses PO1, PO2 and PO3 at BL level 4 for 3 hours. So total number of hours allocated for unit 3 is 8 hours. And the average BL level is given in the last column as BL3 into 2 plus BL2 into 3 plus BL4 into 3 divided by 8. That is BL3. Then we go for the fourth unit. Fourth unit has 2 subunits, 4.1 and 4.2. 4.1 addresses to PO1 and is delivered at BL1 for 3 hours. 4.2 addresses to PO1 and PO2 and is delivered at BL2 for 4 hours. Total number of hours allotted to unit number 4 is 7. And the average BL level will be BL1 into 3 plus BL2 into 4 divided by 7, which is roughly equal to 2. Then we go to Unit 5. Unit 5 has two components, 5.1 and 5.2. 5.1 addresses to PO1 and PO2. It is delivered at BL level 2 for 3 hours. 5.2 addresses to PO1, PO2 and PO3 and is delivered for 2 hours, for 5 hours at BL2. The average BL level of Unit 5 will be BL2 into 3 plus BL2 into 5 plus divided by 8. This is equal to BL2. So the total course is to be completed in 36 hours. Now we will discuss about two question papers. Question paper 1, all questions are compulsory, and question paper 2, we have internal choice. So question paper should be set to assess all COs in alignment with the Bloom's level, that is degree of difficulty level prescribed in the syllabus. If there is a mismatch between the BL of syllabus and BL of question paper, that means if the question paper is either difficult or easy, then suitable corrections must be made to compute CO. Now, we recall this table. We have already discussed this table in the previous episode. It is a direct assessment table. Direct assessment has two components, external examination and sessional examination. And the attainment levels are level 1, level 2, and level 3. So we decide the threshold level for external examination is 50 marks and for sessional examination is 70 marks. So X is equal to 50 and Y is equal to 70. Then the examinations are conducted, and if the 40 to 50% students score more than X%, then the attainment level is level 1. And in sessional examination, if 40 to 50% students score more than Y, then the attainment level is 1. For attainment level 2, 50 to 60% students must score more than threshold level X and Y for external examination and sessional examination. And for attaining the CO level 3, more than 60% of these students should score more than X% of marks in external examination and Y% of marks in sessional examination. Now we'll discuss about first theory paper. So first column gives units 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and correspondingly the COs will be CO1, CO2, CO3, CO4, CO5. Unit 1 has got 3 subunits, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. The BL level at which they are delivered is BL1, BL2, BL3. And we decide to have a 20 marks question which is distributed between 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 as follows. 4 mark question from 1.1, 6 marks question from 1.2, and 10 marks question from 1.3. If we frame the question at the level it is taught, then the BL level of the question paper or the syllabus will be BL1 into 4 plus BL2 into 6 plus BL3 into 10 divided by 20, which is 2.3. But suppose in the question paper, Unit 1.1, in place of question having degree of difficulty 1, BL1, has got degree of difficulty 2. Then the average BL level of question number 1 will be BL2 into 4 plus BL2 into 6 plus BL3 into 10 divided by 20, that is 2.5. That means in place of 2.3, the BL level of the question is little more difficult, 2.5, because the BL level of question number 1.1 is harder. For Unit 2, we are supposed to deliver it at BL level 1, both the units, subunits. We decide to have 2 questions, 10 marks each, and the BL level of the syllabus will be BL1. And if the question paper contains question for 2.1 unit at BL1 and question for 2.2 unit at BL2, then the average BL level of question number 2 will be BL1 into 10 plus BL2 into 10 divided by 20, that is 1.5. So the degree of difficulty has increased from BL1 to BL1.5 in question number 2. Let us take the example of question number 3. It has 3 units. BL levels are 3, 2, and 4. And we decide to have the first question of 3.1 for 10 marks, second question 2 marks, and third question 8 marks. And the BL level as per syllabus will be 3 into 10 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into 8 upon 20. 20 is the total marks of the question. This is 3.3. And if one of these questions is made easier, question 3.2, then the BL level will be 3, BL1, and BL4. And the average BL level of question number 3, all parts of question number 3 will be BL3 into 10 plus BL1 into 2 plus BL4 into 8. This is 3.2. So we notice that the question number 3 is slightly easier. In place of BL 3.3, we have BL 3.2 as the degree of difficulty level. Question number 4, we decide to have 10 mark question each for 4.1 and 4.2. So this, as per the syllabus, the BL level can be obtained as 1.5. But if we keep slightly harder question in 4.1, level BL2, and same level question in 4.2, then the average BL level of question number 4 will be BL2 into 10 plus BL2 into 10 divided by 20, that is BL2. So in place of degree of difficulty BL 1.5, question number 4 has degree of difficulty 2. Similarly, for question number 5, there are 2 subunits, 5.1, 5.2. We decide to hold 2 questions, 10 marks each, and the average degree of difficulty of question 2 as per the syllabus should be 2. And if by chance the question 5.2 has got degree of difficulty BL3 in place of BL2, then the average BL level of question number 5 will increase slightly, and it becomes BL2 into 10 plus BL3 into 10 divided by 20, that is 2.5. So from BL2 to BL 2.5, this is the increase in degree of difficulty of question number 5. So for the entire question paper, the average degree of difficulty is 2.02 as per syllabus. But now we have question paper which has average degree of difficulty 2.34. So we have taught the subject at a little easier difficulty level and asked the question at higher difficulty level, and therefore the target value of x must be modified. So the factor for modification of the target x will be 2 divided by 2.334, where 2 is the value at which the course is taught and 2.34 is the value at which the question paper is asked. So if our target x is equal to 50, the threshold value is 50 marks in theory paper, then modified target will be 50 into 2 upon 2.34, that is 43. What does it mean? A student who is supposed to get 50 marks in normal question paper with degree of difficulty as discussed in the class, in the theory class, will now get 43 marks. So therefore, our x value must be modified to 43 for calculating the CO attainment. We will now take another question paper with internal choice. Now in this, every question has 5 parts. Part number 1.1 and 1.2 are 2 marks each, and part number 3, 4, 5 are 8 marks each. And out of last 3, 4, and 5, we have a choice to solve only 2 parts. So out of 28 marks question which is given to us, we have to solve 20 marks question. So the average BL level of the syllabus will be 2 into 2 into 2 plus 2 into 8 into 3 divided by 28, that is BL2, question number 1. And if we have degree of difficulty slightly increased for 1.3, 1.4 and 1.5 from 2 to 3, then the average BL level will be 2 into 2 into 3, 2 plus 3 into 8 into 3 divided by 28, which is 2.86. So the level at which the course is taught, question number 1 is taught, unit 1 is taught is BL2, and at which the question is asked is BL 2.86. Similarly, for question number 2, we have BL level of all parts as 1, and the average BL of the syllabus will be 1 into 2 into 2 plus 1 into 8 into 3 divided by 28, that is 1. But if we have slightly difficult questions, 2.2, 2.4 and 2.5 from BL1 to BL2, then the degree of difficulty of question 2 will be slightly increased, and it becomes BL1 into 2 into 1 plus BL2 into 2 into 1 plus BL1 into 8 into 1 plus BL2 into 8 into 2 divided by 28, that is BL 1.64. So question number 2 is slightly difficult level at which it is presented to the students. BL level has increased from BL1 to BL 1.64. Then question number 3. Similarly, the question number 3 has been taught at BL level 3, but if the degree of difficulty of 3.3 and 3.4 are increased from 3 to 4, then the average BL level will increase to BL 3.57. So question number 3, unit number 3 has been taught at BL3 and the questions has been asked at BL level 3.57. Little harder question has been presented to the students. Question number 4, the same 5 parts, the average BL level at which the question 4, unit 4 has been taught is BL2. And if one part, 4.5, fifth part, is made slightly easier, in place of BL level 2, it has been made BL level 1, then the average BL level of the question number 4 will be slightly reduced from BL2 to BL 1.71. And BL5, again 5 questions, similar pattern. The level at which question unit number 5 has been taught is BL2. And if the question 5.4 and 5.5 have been asked at BL level 3 each in place of BL2, then the BL level at which the question number 5 has been asked will be increased from BL2 to BL 2.5. So average BL level at which the course has been taught is BL2, and the average BL level at which the question paper has been set is BL 2.47. So a little difficult paper has been asked, and therefore the students naturally get little lower marks, and therefore the modification, the X factor has to be modified. The threshold value of X should be changed. The factor for modification is 2 divided by 2.47. 2 is the BL level at which the subject is taught. 2.47 is the BL level at which the paper is set. So if our target X is 55 marks in theory paper, then modified target will be 55 into 2 upon 2.47, that is 45 marks. So therefore, in place of 55 marks, we have now tried to find out, try to calculate the marks obtained by the students above 45, because 45 becomes the benchmark. I will conclude this episode at this stage. We shall discuss some other topic on next Tuesday in EduVenture. Thanks for watching and joining in this episode. Jai Hind.
और हाँ, मैं आपको याद दिला दूं कि एड्यूवेंचर का एक एपिसोड हर मंगलवार को प्रस्तुत किया जाता है, इसलिए अगला एपिसोड भी अगले मंगल को आएगा। धन्यवाद।